This is everything that should come with your kit to make a MOWAL switch. So here's the body of the wallet. Here's the actual switch portion. This little NFC tag, 2 copper RFID decals. This is a mechanism that helps the card mechanism work here. And a little thank you note and a guitar pick with some instructions, which you no doubt have already found. We're going to actually put the NFC and the RFID decal in first, and that way you don't have to take the wallet apart again, basically, to install these components. I mean, it really doesn't matter. It's not hard to take apart once you put it together once, but might as well just do it now. So
you may already know about RFID blocking. It blocks radio frequencies, RF signals, but this also has NFC technology, and that stands for near field connection, near field connectivity. And that helps you, that basically makes a digital business card or digital link that is you just use with your phone. So instead of taking a picture like with a QR code, this one just uses an antenna on your phone.
And the procedure is pretty simple. What we're gonna do is peel off this side just a bit and then fold it here. And then we're going to put it right here and line it up with this fold here. And then we're gonna roll it on, just like that. All right, so watch this. And then we're gonna bend it back like that. Oh my God, if I can tell you how long it took to come up with this simple technique. Because I was like, how am I going to do this for all of them? I needed to put it in the kit, but all right. Let me just show you here. Okay, so just make sure that's down flat here. Okay, now here's the cool part, all right? So take your pen and put it down here and then roll this out a little bit more so it's flat. So here, actually, I'll show you the shape. You want this kind of shape here, right? This should be down. It shouldn't roll under when you draw this down. It shouldn't roll under. This should come off. So here, let me show you again. Grab this, hold it down, and then slide it down like this. Look at that. Super flat. And if you'd like, you can take your flat edge of some sort, just run it down. Bam, baby. And then we're gonna do that one more time. We're gonna put one more on here. So let me just do that real quick. Now, don't throw these away. You'll need these for the back side. Don't throw them away. Okay, now that your little front side is done, look at that. Look how flat that is. You just can't get flatter than that. It's flat, it's still flexible. Let's get this guy out of here. Now we're gonna do the back side. And the back side is pretty easy. We're just going to put them right there. Because when we pull this up, it'll be on the inside. You won't see it, so let's do that again. So, these back ones, I like to put one here, and then one right about here. So, if they overlap a little bit, that's good. Okay, now that the front is done and the back's done, your wallet is effectively RFID proof, okay? But what we're gonna do is add our little NFC chip to the back of this, back of the switch. And it's actually very cool how it functions. Let me just say it really brief, is it turns off. A lot of NFC chips, they tend to go off in your pocket inadvertently when you don't want it to, because it's just exposed. But with this, it's housed behind here when the wallet's closed, and then it exposes itself when the wallet's open. And this is a special chip that works in close proximity to metal. So it can broadcast here and then it turns off here. So that's just a very unique function of this particular wallet. It's gonna go right on the back side of the logo. So easy as this. Right there. Now this guy will go onto here, flush onto there, and you'll basically have your chip built in. Okay, so I cleared things up so things are just a little easier to see. Move the car into the sun. So what we're going to do, we're just going to do the first part, and that is folding these lines. So I've already folded some of them. This guy gets folded in, this folded in, this guy. I'm gonna zoom in. There's two here, so fold these both in. You'll get that type of shape. Just come in like that. And as you see, you're creating the box here. This guy gets folded in, this gets folded in, and there are two more down here. This box down here is for something else. I'll show you about that later. But just for the meantime, fold this guy, and they should look like this box here. So you gotten all these guys down, all these boxes down. Now we're gonna get these two flaps, and we're actually gonna flip the whole thing over. See, so we are folding everything in like this here. Sorry if you can't see. Okay. First we're folding everything in like this. Now we're gonna flip it over like that. And these two little flappy doodles. You're gonna fold these down here. Use your pick if you need to. It's designed to also be a creaser. And as you can see, we're going over here. Now this right here, what I like to do with that is this little motion here. And we're gonna roll it in our hands. Good little roll going on here. Roll that in your hands. Okay. And then let's see here. Okay, so we've got these little guys, the flappy doodles facing towards us. And then we're gonna have one more fold in like this here. So that's going in, that's going down, that's going up. So basically flip the thing over, now everything's going the same direction. Everything's going up, that's going up. And this crease that's right here, that's this final one, that's also going up. So we'll do that. Nice. Okay, all right, so now what's next? I bet you've been wondering what this is for. Okay, so designed it so you can't really mess this up. So what we'll do is we'll take this off, and it attaches right inside of here. You see? Right inside of that box. Okay. Just like that. And then for this side, we'll take that off, and we'll put this sticker and make sure that it's square to the top of this tab here. So this is our switch. This is actually the MOWAL switch. This is the thing. Okay. So I put this here. We just make sure everything looks straight as we can. Press it down. All right. Okay, make sure that you're on this side where these face up. Pull them down for now though. And then make this triangle. So you fold them up like this, and then fold it over. Okay? And here's what we're gonna do. Here's the interesting thing is, put your thumb on the very inside, like inside of there, and here, and then on the other side too. And then what you do is you put your thumbs inside and lift it up. Now tell me, I'm telling you guys, I've never seen anyone else do this technique before. You lift it up and you make this cavity. You see this shape? It's weird, but it works. All right, make sure things are kind of square. Make sure things are square. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put these tabs on the inside and just force them in. And they should lay flat on the inside like that. And the same with this guy. Put it in here. Okay. And it should lay flat. If it's not perfect, it's fine. All right. And then look at, you've got this assembled already. So that's your wall to have done. That's the hard part. Okay, now losing sunlight. So now we'll flip this wall over. Put this down. We'll see in a second. Flip this guy over. And wrap this whole thing around. And then what we're going to do is open this up right here. So as you see, I've tapped this down here. This goes over. This goes up. Let me open this here. See this? And then use your finger right here. So put this down. Once you get inside of here, open this up and slide this inside. It's weird, but it'll fit in there. See what I said? Put your thumb in here so that doesn't happen. Put a finger there so it doesn't happen. Anyway, push that through, and then you can see the switch beginning to happen here.
Yes, that is super important.
And then what you do is you slide this guy right behind the tie back. So tuck this behind the tie back. And there you have it. You've got a MOWAL switch.